Do you want to know the fastest way to grow your business to $1 million? That is to fail fast. And I'm not talking about starting hundreds of businesses at once and then not focusing on them individually. No, I'm referring to the idea of trying out new ideas and concepts in your business. As a software girl, I've worked in IT for over 12 years now. And the idea of failing fast in software development is that when we're building new features, instead of taking 1 month, 2 weeks, 1 week to build it out, let's try to build that feature as fast as possible. It doesn't have to look pretty. Just get some type of prototype out there so that our users can test it. That's the idea of failing fast. So now let's think about our business and how to utilize that exact concept that big companies have used over the years, such as Apple, Adobe. It doesn't even have to be a software company. The idea is to create products and get it in front of your ideal customers as fast as possible to get feedback. And once you do that, then your brain power start moving and then you create faster. So when I started my business 5 years ago as a consultant, I wish someone made the connection for me. But now that I made it, I'm here to help you out so you can grow your business faster. Here are 3 simple steps to fail faster so that you can get to your next $1 million business. The 3 steps of failing fast and generating your next $1 million business is generation, implementation, and evaluation. Let me jump right in and explain what each of those mean. Generation is generating ideas faster. We're in the world of AI, and we can literally talk to ChatGPT and generate millions of ideas. If you have an idea about your consulting business, about building an app to improve anything, about innovating, generate that idea and write it down. Think about Apple. When Apple got started, all of the industry that Apple went into, they were not industry that Apple made up. But Apple had a way of generating new ideas and new viewpoints of serving their customer needs. One of the best companies in the world of generating new ideas. The step 2 of that is implementation. After you generate that idea, use an app such as Replit. If you're building an application or you're building a new workflow, you can use some of Google new AI tool to implement your idea so that you can see it live. And when it comes to the implementation stage, it's important that you do not go slow. Maybe spend a few hours. If it's a huge idea, maybe a day to get that idea out so you can visualize it. One of my favorite things to do when it comes to implementing my ideas is doing wireframe. I sometimes take out a notebook and pencil and I write down what I'm thinking about. I draw pictures, I draw boxes. Other great apps to use for generating your ideation and the implementation stage when you want to visualize this is Adobe Make. Adobe Make has a feature where you literally just type in text and then it generates a functional wireframe for you so you can see your ideas come to life. So for me, I highly recommend any of those tools for you to use to really get your ideas out there as quickly as possible. The third stage is evaluation, because we can create all of the mock-ups and prototypes in the world. But if we do not get feedback from our ideal client, it doesn't mean anything. I can give it to my kids. I can have my husband give me feedback on it. But honestly, they are not my ideal clientele. So don't be shy. Reach out to your ideal customers. Even if it's a friend that you worked with, our previous employer, people are so open to helping you out. You just need to ask. And if they say no, so what? There are millions of other people out there that will say yes to you. So if they say no, or maybe they don't read your emails right away, that's important. Sometimes we think that someone we reached out to said no or is ignoring us? No, they're just busy. We are all busy with life, with sicknesses. So reach out 2 to 5 times. Reach out and get feedback and evaluation on your product. So if you are ready to make that $1 million by feeling fast, comment below and comment feel fast, and I'll send you my exact guide to get started in your business.